Hello everybody, from me and Buster. It's been a while. I'm so swamped with amps right now. I unfortunately have not had a lot of time to crank out the videos because I'm so busy, which is amazing, and I want to really thank you guys. But for you, special people, I thought I'd give a little walkthrough of some of the amps that I will be working on coming up. We've got this TV front Princeton. It's in really good cosmetic shape. You can see the control panel is still really shiny, which is kind of rare to see them in that good of condition. This amp pretty much just needs a 3-prong cord. The owner says otherwise it's sounding great, and it has had a little bit of service before. Also, along with that amp, we have another amp in impeccable physical condition, this Silverface Deluxe Reverb, also needing a 3-prong cord. Up here, we've got a Magnatone that just will need a few miscellaneous fixes as it's been pretty much restored completely. We've got this Gibson GA20. I can't remember what this needs, but it definitely needs some work. I've got this cool old Danelectro. It's a Danelectro Explorer. Got this pretty old Magnatone. Basically just in for some rattling issues. It's physically rattly. The reason is the handle hardware is rattling. It's riveted in, so I'm going to have to take out the rivets and then install some other hardware to get that nice and tight. I also have this blonde Tremolux, which I am excited about. I love these amps and I really don't see them too often. From the back here, we've got this Silvertone 1472, which is in for some basic noise issues, common with Silvertones. Down here, I know it's kind of hard to see, we've got this old British amp, a Grampian Valencia. Don't know much about them, but basically it just needs a new speaker. We've got this Meazza amp, which is an Italian solid-state amp. It's got built-in tape echo, it's got tremolo. It sounds pretty crazy. This pretty much needs a restoration, total recap. It's all original in there, and it's going to be a project, that's for sure. Back there, we've got a Tweed Vibrolux. Pretty much just needs a speaker recone, so I've removed the original speaker there. So that is a little taste of the many amps I have in here right now. I just finished up this orange TH30. I do work on some modern amps, but not as many these days. Buster. It's a little taste of the amps we have in here right now. I'm gonna get back to work and crank some of these out, so hopefully coming up soon I'll have some time to shoot a video for you guys. Thanks a lot.